Hello, welcome to Bikini Design Club. Let me introduce you to our bestseller from 2020 swimsuit pattern, Tai. Tai is a very simple pattern. It's a non-reversible pattern, and you have a rounded V shape on the front. You have the front pattern piece and you have straps. You can actually combine with the same fabric if you want, or you can use contrast fabrics to make this effect that you see here. On this one, I actually use a top stitch with contrasting threads, so I think it really pops up the design. And then on the back, you have crossed straps here, and then they connect really on the side, really near to the front. And then you have a very low back V shape with a center back seam. And this makes this one of your favorite patterns. It's already available at bikinidesignclub.com, and of course the YouTube tutorial is also available on our channel. And that's it for today. Bye guys!